Welcome to part 2 of our Gibb River Road adventure. In this episode, we take the track out to Adcock Gorge, soaking up the sun and stunning scenery before heading out to the unpassable Mt Barnett Roadhouse. Naturally, we have to try out their homemade lasagna before finding our site at the Manning Gorge Campground, where we spend the arvo taking in the serenity of the camp's very own swimming hole. On day 5, we backtrack to our favourite waterfall on the Gibb, Galvans Gorge, before heading back to camp to finish the night by the fire with new friends.
Day 4. Adcock Gorge.
That was 4. Yeah.
Snacks packed. Let's go. It was a really good ride in, wasn't it?
Yeah, so much better than I think what we were almost sort of assumed to expect. Lots of reviews saying it's like the worst road.
Oh, sorry, like the road from March Fly to the turn off was really good, but this is a track. This isn't a road,
Yeah.
for sure. This is like
A little bit of forward
leave your
driving,
van
but
behind. Yeah,
yeah, glad we didn't have the boat.
bit of high clearance four drive stuff. Just a bit of ruts and washouts where, yeah, some low
Nothing
vehicles
that we
might
couldn't
struggle.
do though.
Nah,
honestly.
Maurice loves it.
Smashed it.
So,
Come on here.
all right, let's go check it out. This is underrated.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, from what we've read, a lot of people say that it's not worth the road in, or it's like cold and murky and whatever else. It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, there's quite a few more people here now, which is
Yeah.
good and bad. But
I mean, the sun's in most of the pool now. Everyone's swimming. We saw a little freshie on the way in.
Yeah.
But yeah, nowhere near the main pool itself. So definitely worth checking out. Yeah.
spoils. Had to do it.
Supporting the people.
We'll let you know how the lasagna goes.
Oh yeah.
You put that there. So we're at
Manning River Campground.
which you get to from Mt Barnett, and so far I would say must do.
So
Must
nice.
do.
I think everyone who does the Gibb surely does Manning Gorge. But
Just soak this in for a second. you were saying?
Just distracted.
It's just great.
It's just so nice.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just part of the campground itself, so this is the start, essentially, of the hike. It is stunning.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to see a true example of a man who loves his woman, get a look at this.
You won't see it, but you start, here's the start, and that's on the other side, and then you hike that way. And you've got to use a half-cut plastic drum to ferry your stuff across. But there was no plastic drum over there when he got back. So Shay's really envious of his romance.
I'm not envious, this is exactly what it should be.
Yeah.
We love to see it.
We do.
Because we love to see it.
Yeah. So Galvans tomorrow. Great fire tonight.
What?
Yeah. Great fire.
Yeah, every night.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the lasagna, by the way.
Good. Chippies.
Yeah. Chef special. Oh yeah.
Man, that's
Yeah.
some of the best chippies I've had, I reckon.
Yeah. But yeah, Galvans, and
See what happens.
is this day 4?
4 or 5, I don't know, we're never going to know.
Day whatever, done. Bye. Hi again.
Hello.
It's morning, day 5. We've worked it out now. We're back on track.
For the most part.
Yeah. We last night we forgot to mention that we met this couple actually the night before. They were going into Mt Gorge quite late and asked if it was worth it, and yeah, passed them on the road and told them to go and have a look, and they did. But anyway, we saw them yesterday, and while we were cliff climbing up on the other side of Adcock Gorge, they'd actually taken a few photos of us and then waited around for us to tell us, and then they're actually going to email them to us. But we got away lucky as well. There was a cow running around the campground, like a really decent size, and passed right by the front of the car. Must have been within half a metre.
If that.
And yeah, luckily broke through the bush on the front driver's corner instead of trying to knock the car out of the way. So take that as a win.
Someone breaking firewood. Because it was
Yeah,
so loud, but we were
but
like,
it was
why would
in-
we be doing it right here and in the dark?
Yeah, it was
Then it
pitch
got really,
black.
really loud.
Yeah,
We saw this big bull and we were like, what?
yeah. But we're going to
You'll remember
like
the names
Galvans,
one day.
Galvans, which was, so we've backtracked from Manning Gorge, but it was fine. The road's still pretty good. So
But hopefully the sun kicks through.
yeah.
We'll see. That is stunning.
In the third part of our Gibb series, we explore the popular Manning Gorge on Mt Barnett Station. We then continue east to find Barnett Gorge, rushing to see what we can in hope of reaching camp at Mount Elizabeth Station before sunset.